guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing this 3D gel bow. So I'm just going in and I've already prepped my tip using So Nude by Shinties, and the colours that I'm using are Bright Light and Shinties Silver. So I've got a bit of greaseproof paper and I've also got my forearm there just to put some of that silver on. I'm going to come in with a fine liner brush and just make two big long lines just on that greaseproof paper. And then once this is done, I'm going to pop it in the lamp for a 30-second cure. So now that that's out the lamp, I'm going to come in with that Bright Lights, and we're just going to go over the top and to cover the sides of this silver as well. So I'll do that to all the lines. I will come in again and add on an extra line because I needed to use more for the bow, but you'll see that soon. Once that's had its 30 seconds to cure, I'm going to come in and remove any tackiness from the top of this, and then I'm going to use my tweezers to peel this off of that greaseproof paper. I'll then come in and cut it, just using scissors just to make sure it's all tidy and that I've got all my sections that I need for the bow. So I'm going to fold these sections over at an angle, I hope that makes sense, and I'm just going to use a little bit of top coat just to seal these together and use some pinch nose tweezers to hold that together while I put it in the lamp. Now you don't want to use too much top coat because it will seal that whole loop that you've got, and you need that loop. So for the bottom loops of the bow, I'm going to do the same thing again, but I'm going to make this bit of gel thinner each side. So the Bright Lights will have a thinner section than the last bit, and I'm going to fold these over so that they're meeting perfectly, not at an angle, and then do the pinch nose tweezers with a little bit of top coat and pop it in the lamp again to cure. So then using the scissors again, you're just going to cut these so that they look nice and tidy. So I'm just removing some of that point off that, because obviously we've put these at an angle, just to tidy the bow up. So I'll then come in and put the two bottom loops together using those pinch nose tweezers and a bit of top coat, and do these at an angle again, and then pop them in the lamp to cure. While the bottom section's in the lamp curing, I'm going to come in and add on the top loops. So I'm just using that fine liner brush and some gel, and we're just placing that onto the nail, and then we're going to place the two larger loops together on that nail and then pop it in the lamp for a full cure. The next step is to take those two bottom loops, and I'm just going to cut a little bit off before I place it on the nail, just so that it's got that nice angle, and I'm making sure that my loops are open, and then I'll use gel and put this on the nail as well and then cure it. So now that's in the lamp cure, I'm going to take this last strip and cut it so it's nice and tidy. We're going to cut it in half as well, and then these are going to be the tails of the bow. So I'm just going to cut it thin, and then this will get applied to the nail using a small bit of gel as well, and cured in the lamp. And then you can just bend your tail so that it's got like curves in it to fit on the nail. You could then come in once this has been placed on the nail and add a crystal for the centre, or you can use some gel polish to create the centre. And then that's this nail finish, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed watching, and I hope you all give it a go, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.